you have anything blocking cameras? Outside of an actual courtroom? Just general entry?
Yeah, so I don't think you're allowed to record or take photos.
Just in the building, not in the actual courtroom?
People's privacy.
There's no privacy in public because this is a public building?
Yeah, but like the privacy of people. So like if you're taking videos of there's children upstairs, like they're under 18.
Age is irrelevant.
Without their consent.
Yeah, no, you don't need consent and age is irrelevant.
What are you recording for?
Just asking and coming in if possible.
But like what? Where's your recording going after you've recorded it?
Personal use, not a business. Just a member of public. I'm curious to see the courthouse. Is artwork?
You can't do that in this building.
Is artwork here I want to have a look at?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
So there's like a little...
Well, you're reading into my intent, so what do you mean by that photography?
You can't come in here and start recording people and recording in this building.
I'm not intentionally going to record people. Like, we're having this chat, you guys are in uniform, but I'm not going to walk up to someone and ask what they're up to today.
Yeah. Well, it just might become quite intimidating for some people walking around with that, and if they can see things go, stuff like that.
As opposed to sitting on the step and recording anyone coming in.
Something got published, went on social media or something, for example, it would all come back on us. So it's just not allowed in this building.
Well, just to push it a bit further, do you have like a manager or something that would know the legality around denying me access to the public building for photography reasons?
Photography reasons is weird.
Like
We've had that back and forth with photography. But
Like, can someone come in here and with their phone take a photo of the artwork?
yeah, you're more than welcome to take a photo, but
I'm just
coming
implying.
in with a
I'm just
phone
implying it will be going all the
type
time. I'm not going to selectively turn on / turn off, but I do have my camera to take a photo of artwork.
thing. It just seems a little bit like that next step past just taking a photo on your phone, and a lot of people don't like being recorded. Like I don't personally like being recorded. I don't think.
But you're aware that it happens in your role and you
Yeah,
can't
but-
decide. So if I turn off the chest cam and walked around with the camera, you'd be alright if I just took
I
photos,
don't think
not
we
video?
allowed cameras in at all unless you are part of media. So if you have a media, that's
Not quality
fine.
cameras like that.
Quality
But that's
cameras,
not a
they're-
professional camera. This is a commercial
Is
grade.
there a reason you've come in to just?
No, I'm just
dive
nearby. I'm just curious.
over
No,
this?
sorry. I'm just pushing you because you're just automatically going to say no, just like you said, children. But then
Yeah,
you said
but
they're underage and they can't
there's
consent.
young children here. There's people that maybe they're hiding from certain people. They don't want their faces.
This isn't a
on
live
there.
stream. I'm not.
It's also for your
Not
safety
necessarily
as well,
posted.
mate. Like if someone sees that you're recording and there's some people, upset people in this place, if they see that you're recording and stuff like that, that's just tick them off. And for your safety, we don't want yourself to get hurt
Yep.
or anyone else to get hurt.
Yeah, I've been doing this for a couple of years and I encounter that all the time out and about. I don't think it would be any different in the courthouse. I think
Yeah,
if anything, that'd be more
something that
nervous.
we've got to deal with as
It's
well.
just an extra problem that we have to deal with, so we'd like to not have to deal with that if
Okay.
necessary.
Well, if possible, I'd like to turn off this and switch to just taking photos with this.
We
It's not a
would
commercial
have to
camera.
Hold on to both items.
It's
because
the same as a phone camera.
Yeah, I get what you're trying to say, but it's with the intent to only photograph and record, whereas a phone is a communications device. You could be checking your calendar to make sure that you're on the right day of court. You could be contacting your boss to make sure that you're on court premises.
Gotcha. If I took a photo and I didn't have my phone, I can tell the time with this camera.
Yeah,
It does serve
that's
other
cool.
does serve other
Just,
purposes.
we're not going to allow you in with these two items.
Yep,
If
no worries.
you were to come in, we would have to hold on to them or ask you to put them in your car.
Cute. May I make a
Probably
request?
wouldn't actually want to hold on to them because of the expense of the product. In case they were damaged in our care, we would ask you to put them in your car.
Gotcha. Can I make a request for any information you might have around the reason you've rejected cameras on premises? Do you actually have
The
information to
multiple
provide?
reasons that
Like
we-
I know the sign, but it doesn't include any of that, what you just stated.
It's just on the grounds of it can cause an issue upstairs with other people, retaliatory violence towards you. It could cause issues with people not wanting to be recorded. It could cause issues with staff not wanting to be recorded.
Have you had these issues in the past?
A lot.
And people get attacked for cameras, so you've
Yeah.
made the general rule to deny them?
Same with recording devices because people don't like to be recorded, whether it's their face or their voice.